Magandang gabi mga kaibigan. Meron nga pala akong coin dito. Ito ay 50 pills ng Kuwait. Kalain mo, ang tagal ko hinahanap nito mga kaibigan. Halos buong araw ako naghanap nito 50 pills pala to. $50 to mga kaibigan. Ang una kong nakita, ito. Nasaan na ba? Yan. Ang una kong nakita, ito. 10 pills. Kasi, yan para sila ng ang sinend kong picture sa numista, ito. Yan din yung lumabas. 10 pills, nagduda ako Pero sila, magka-year sila. Inano ko na nga ito, in-upload ko na nga ito sa account ko Sandali lang mga kaibigan. Dumating yung pamangkin ko, pinagbuksan ko ng pinto. Mga kaibigan, ito in-upload ko na ito sa account ko Ayan yan, uploaded na yan sa account ko. Nang nakita ko sa kanina, binura ko. In-upload ko siya doon na mismo sa 50 pills. Kasi in-upload ko ito doon sa 10 pills lang. 50 pills pala tong hawak ko. Hindi pala sa 10 pills. 50 pills. So mga kaibigan, baka naman pwede maglambing ng subscribe. Pa-press na subscribe, pa-press na notification bell, pa-select ng all para ma-notify kayo pag ako nag-upload ng video. Pa-like na rin, at kung gusto nyo i-share, pa-share na rin. Pag-usapan natin ito ngayon mga kaibigan. Ang nasa email niya ay si Sabah Deport Al-Ahmad Al-Jaber Al-Sabah. Si Al-Sabah Deport was born on June 16, 1929. He received his primary education at Al-Mubarakiyah School in the 1930 and completed this education under tutor. He was the half-brother of the previous Emir of Kuwait, Habir Al-Ahmad Al-Sabah, who appointed Sabah as Prime Minister in July 2003, replacing the Crown Prince of Kuwait, Sheikh Saad Al-Salim Al-Sabah. The cousin was killed when Royal Air Maroc Flight 1630 was intentionally crashed by its pilot in 1994. Before becoming Emir of Kuwait, Sabah was the foreign minister from 1963 to 2003, making him the longest serving foreign minister in the world at the time of leaving office, and the second longest serving so far as foreign minister. Sabah restored Kuwaiti international relations after the Gulf War. He was also first Deputy Prime Minister while serving as Foreign Minister. He was acting Minister of Finance from 1965 to 1967. He was Prime Minister and de facto ruler from 2003 to 2006 due to Jaber ill health. U.S. Vice President Dick Cheney meets with Prime Minister Sabah to deliver condolences on the death of the Emir in 2006. On January 15, 2006, Emir Haber died, making Sheikh Saad his crown prince and a member of the Salim branch of the ruling family. The new emir with Saad accession, Sabah was likely to become the new crown prince, retaining his function of prime minister. Saad was ill with a form of dementia. Some reports suggested that he suffered from Alzheimer's disease or some others debilitating disease. It was generally agreed that he was unable to speak at any length. As there was concern, Saad would not be able to take the constitutionally required oath of office. The Speaker of the National Assembly, Jassim Karapi, coordinated with a member of National Assembly on a transfer of power to the Prime Minister, Sheikh Sabah Al-Ahmad. After a power struggle within the ruling family, Saad agreed to abdicate as Emir of Kuwait. On January 23, 2006, due to illness, the ruling family then confirmed and Sabah became the new emir. On January 24, 2006, the National Assembly of Kuwait voted Saad out of office moment before an official letter of abdication was received. The Cabinet of Kuwait nominated Sabah as emir. He was sworn in January 29, 2006, with the National Assembly approved, ending that crisis. Yun yung nangyari sa kanila, mga kaibigan. Kaya naging hari si Al-Sabah Depot. Siya ang naging hari. So mga kaibigan, 50 pills magnetic. So, magnetic daw. Oh, magnetic nga. Picture assure Kuwait, Emir Sabah Depot Al-Ahmad Al-Haber Al-Sabah. Type standard circulation coins, years 2012 to 2019, calendar Islamic, value 50 pills, 50 Kuwaiti dollar, value sa Pilipinas, mga kaibigan, 9.28. Ayan o. Currency, dinar. Composition, stainless steel, weight 4.5 grams. Diameter 23 mm, thickness 1.7 mm, shape round, technique meld, orientation, medal alignment. Oh, medal alignment mga kaibigan, pantay ito eh. Yan o. Oh, pantay yan. Pero timbangin natin siya mga kaibigan. 4.5 grams. 4.5 grams. 4.5 grams. Tingnan natin siya. 4.4. Ibig sabihin nabawasan na siya. 4.3. Isa pa. 4.5 naman. Ano bang nangyari? Isa pa uli. 4.5. Iangat natin itong ano niya. Oh. No, 4.5. Mas mataas yung timbang niya. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa ito bawas. Hindi siya circulated masyado. Tama lang yung timbang niya. Ubers, value in Arabic within circle, stated name in Arabic above and English below. Ito yung ubers niya. Reverse bowling ceiling ship. In the type of door, ceiling to the left with a small plug on the right side, Islamic and Gregorian dates in Arabic below. Gregorian calendar pala ito ang gamit nila. Ito yung ubers niya. Ito yung barko o bangka. Punta tayo sa presyo niya mga kaibigan. Ang hawak ko ay 2016. Punta tayo sa 2012. Fine, 35 hanggang extra fine. Almost uncirculated, 47. 63 ang uncirculated. 2013, very fine. 8.80, extra fine, 14 pesos hanggang almost uncirculated. 63 ang uncirculated. At 15, 13 pala yun. 15, very fine, 15 pesos. Extra fine, 19 pesos. Ito yung hawak ko mga kaibigan. Ang presyo lang niya, extra fine, 31 pesos. Extra fine lang pala to. 31 pesos lang to eh, pero mahal na rin kumpara sa 9.28 centavos. 2017, very fine 15, extra fine 41 hanggang uncirculated. Ang mahal niya mga kaibigan, mahal siya, walang presyo ang 2016 at saka 2019. Ay 2018 at 2019 walang presyo. Mahal siya. Kahit pa ganito lang pala itong coins na to, mahal pala to. So mga kaibigan, baka naman pwede maglambing ng subscribe, pa-press ng subscribe, press ng notification bell, pa-select ng all, para manotify kayo pag ako nag-upload ng video. Pa-like na rin, at kung gusto nyo i-share, pa-share na rin. Maraming salamat mga kaibigan. Magandang gabi.